Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and in today's video I am going to share with you guys one of the very easy and legitimate ways to recover your deleted videos on YouTube. So those of you that follow me already know that a week ago one of my videos was deleted and I was frustrated. I know how it can be when a video you've invested so much in gets deleted. So I was frustrated because I thought I was not going to be able to retrieve that video because I am not eligible for the YouTube partner program. But then I found out a very easy way to be able to do that even though you're not eligible for the YouTube partner program, and I'm going to share with you guys right now. So all you have to do, as you can see, I'm on my page on YouTube. That's my picture over there. So basically you just need to find where you can see help. So that is it. That's it there. On other browsers you're going to see it as help and feedback. So but it's still the same thing. So all you need to do is click on help and another page is going to pop up, yes, by the side. And guys, if you're using your mobile device for this, once you log into your account on your browser, make sure you change it to desktop site. So yes, now that I'm on help, look at where you see search help, just type in non-profit. Take note that you're not supposed to leave any space. Don't space it, because if you do you might not find what you're looking for. So type non-profit and you're going to see a few options, and what you need is YouTube non-profit program overview, as you can see here. So you click on that and it takes you to another page, and all you have to do is scroll down to where you see dedicated technical support and click on it, and a little write-up is going to pop up, and click on the link that says contact us. So once you click on that, it will take you to another page and you see a button that says contact us, and click on that button. So once you click on the button, it takes you to the same page where you need to fill in a few information about yourself and the video, as it would also appear if you are eligible for the YouTube partner program. It is still the same thing, just a few changes, and you're going to have to fill in a few information here. And here it says please enter your name, and I entered my channel name instead. Since my channel name is Seddiesnowz, I just entered Seddiesnowz there, like so. And the next is your organization's name. I don't have an organization, so I still entered my channel name again, like so. And then the next one is your channel URL. You already know your channel URL, so all you need to do is just go to your page and copy your channel URL and put and paste here. And then the next one says EIN stroke non-profit registration number. And guys, I am not a non-profit partner on YouTube, so I don't even know what a non-profit registration number is, which means I don't even have it. But not to worry, I just typed in a few random numbers. I actually typed in a 6-digit number. I combined my birth month with my university matriculation number. That's what I did. But trust me, you can just type in random numbers. You don't necessarily need to type in a particular number. Just type in random numbers, doesn't matter how long or how short, provided there's a number there. And then the next one says YouTube partner username. And to be honest, I don't know what I typed here, but I know that it's either I typed my channel name or my full name. I think I typed in my name or so, something like that. But trust me, it doesn't matter. Just type in anything you feel like. there. It could be your name or something else. And the next one is your YouTube email address, and this is the email address that is linked to your account, and your email or your Gmail address automatically is there, so you don't need to do anything there. And then the next one says, if this issue affects a particular video, please specify the video here. Now they say you should enter your 11 digits video ID only. Okay, the thing is, one other thing that you need to take note of is, once your video gets deleted on YouTube, there's no way for you to get the link again. Even if you click beside it, you won't see any option that says share or how to copy the link or anything. One good thing that helped me was, whenever I upload videos on YouTube, I make sure I share them across all my social media platforms, and trust me, that really helped me. If not, I wouldn't have been able to get that video URL again. So I had to go to my Twitter account and scroll down on my feeds and went to the date I uploaded that video on YouTube, which was in November. So you can imagine the stress I went through. So I just scrolled down there and I found the video there, including the link. So what I did was I copied the link from my Twitter account to this place. So all you need to do is just copy the link here, the link to the particular video that was deleted. So once you paste the video URL in that section, you go to the next place which says short summary of issue. So here you're basically just going to tell them what happened, and my advice to you guys is, be honest. Just be honest in this summary. As for me, what I told them was, I am a new YouTuber and I accidentally deleted one of my videos, and I know that I am not eligible for the YouTube partner program. Neither am I a YouTube non-profit partner or something like that, but I really need their help. I really need my video recovered, and I couldn't find any other way to contact them except through this medium. So they should please help me retrieve my video back. It is very important to me. I just practically begged them and pleaded with them. I can't remember the number of times I typed please in my summary. I basically begged them, like I was pleading. I was very honest. So all you need to do is be honest in the summary. So the next one says submit an attachment, and they ticked automatically including a screenshot here, but what I did was I unticked that and I uploaded a screenshot of the playlist where that video was deleted, as you can see on the screen. Yes, that's the picture I uploaded there, so they would see that my video was actually really deleted. And once you're done, click submit and you're good to go. So if you're very lucky, YouTube is going to reply you. I know a lot of people have said they've gone through this process but their video was not reinstated, but trust me, luck was on my side. As a matter of fact, YouTube replied me that very day, but I don't know, maybe because of network issues or something, I didn't get the mail that day. It was the following day around 10 a.m. that the email entered my phone, and this is the reply he gave me, as you can see on the screen. And I was so excited. You know, once you request for help from them, you could get your reply from a different person, but mine was Dave. Dave was the one that replied to me, and trust me, he was really kind. He was super kind and helpful. So I replied the email with the video URL again, and to my surprise, just 2 or 3 hours later, he replied me again telling me that he has good news for me, that my video has been reinstated and I should see the video on my channel in no time. And guys, I was super excited. I was over the moon. Like, I was so happy. I quickly ran to my Facebook page and voila, my video came back with all the views, all the comments, and all the statistics. Everything came back. So guys, that's how I was able to retrieve my video back. So trust me, if you follow these few steps, you're going to get your video back. You don't necessarily need to be eligible for the YouTube partner program. So I hope that you find this video very helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.